So at WLBP, Welsh Lamb and Beef Producers, during this project with Arwain DGC, our remit was to collect a large data sample of sheep, beef and dairy farms, whereby we were collating antibiotic data on the average use per farm. The system works where the farmer engages with the vet, so there's no additional work as such for the farmer. What they need to do is engage in the process, explain or discuss what they've been doing over the previous year with the vet. The vet looks at the prescribing that's been undertaken in the past 12 months and uses what we call a WLBP AMU calculator to have the end result really. So pulling data from different sources, running an algorithm, then generates a report. And we're using metrics that have been approved by industry stakeholders, which include scientists, government. We've standardized the metrics, we're using that on a digital platform, and then that churns out the information. And later this year, we will be publishing a report which will explain what we've seen over the current couple of years really. And I think it's probably looking as if it's going to be a good news story for the industry. To have this data available to provide that evidence for people who are asking, defending and being proactive about how we produce food and look after animals here in Wales is essential really.